And this trip we're going to try and sail.
Oh yay!
We've got the new mast socket to carry the sail. Let's hope it goes alright. Hey Jojo.
No.
No, it's not cold, it's bloody freezing. Can you get back out?
It's not cold. Yup, I can. Not.
How was the water, Jojo?
Good.
Ooh, we got a bit of a breeze, we're sailing.
I used to come out here with pop for fishing.
Here we have the Isle of the Dead, where they buried the Port Arthur convicts. I don't think we're really going to get much faster than this in this wind. I would say that's plenty fast enough anyway. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I reckon. What was that, Rolls? Yeah, you don't want to get hit by a golf ball here, hey? So guess what? While we're out with golf balls, the wind's turned and we're sailing home. Because we're not here to paddle against the wind. Oh, well done boys for coming on the kayak trip.
Oh, yeah, you're welcome.
I thought so too. It's a nice day at the beach as well.